Get ready for a fun science adventure with Zara and Hamza.
Wow, Hamza, the lab looks amazing today.
Yeah, I feel like a real scientist.
Do you think the volcano will really erupt?
Yes, follow the steps carefully.
Let's do this. Baking soda is in.
Now the color and soap.
Excellent teamwork. It's bubbling.
Whoa!
It's erupting. This is awesome. Whoa, it's fizzing so much.
This is the coolest experiment ever.
Look at all the sparkles.
Science is magic. I want to do more experiments.
We learned something new today
And had so much fun. Great job, young scientists.